Question is given b plus b is equal to b times b times b. Here we have to find out the value of b in this equation. How we can find out the value of b? Let's see solution. B plus b plus b is equal to b times b times b. Right? So we can write here b plus b is 3b. 3b is equal to b times b is b cube. So we can write this one b cube minus 3b is equal to 0. Now we can take common here b. We are taking common b, so it will become b square minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here we got two equations. First one is b equal to 0 and next one is b square minus 3 equal to 0. First one is b equal to 0 or next one is b square minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, b square is equal to 3. Now we have to find out the value of b, so we can take square root. So when we are taking square root, it will become square root of b square is equal to square root of 3. Now square is cancelled from square root. So value of b is equal to, we can say value of b is equal to plus minus 3, right? Plus minus square root of 3. So here we got total 3 value of b. It will also become plus minus. So here we got total 3 value. First one b1 is equal to 0. Next one is b2 is equal to plus square root of 3. And last one is b3 is equal to minus square root of 3. Now let's verify is this correct or not. So first we are taking b1 is equal to 0. First solution, that is b1 equal to 0. Now question is 3 b plus b is equal to b times b, right? Now we have to substitute this value 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 question mark 0 times 0 times 0. So all terms become 0 here. 0 is equal to 0. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS. So first solution, that is b1 equal to 0, it is verified here. Right, now we are taking next one, that is b2. b2 is equal to plus square root of 3. So second, that is b2 is equal to square root of 3. So question is b plus b is equal to b times b. Now we have to substitute this value here. So we can write here square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3. Question mark square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. Now square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3. When we are adding this term, we will get here 3 times square root of 3. So we can write 3 square root of 3. Question mark. And here square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. So square root of 3 times square root of 3, it will become square root of 3 whole square times square root of 3. Now square is cancelled from square root. So we can say 3 square root of 3 is equal to 3 square root of 3. 3 square root of 3. So here also LHS is equal to RHS. So B2 is equal to minus b2 is equal to plus square root of 3. This is also correct solution for this equation. It is verified here. Now we have to verify for minus square root of 3. So here question is b plus b is equal to b times b times b. Now here we have to substitute minus square root of 3. We are taking here minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3 plus minus square root of 3. Question mark square root of 3 minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3. Now minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3. So it will become here 3 times minus square root of 3, right? So we can write minus 3 square root of 3, because minus minus plus and again minus, so it will become minus. So minus 3 times square root of 3 here. Now question mark. Here square root of 3 minus square root of 3 times minus square root of 3 square times minus square root of 3. Now here minus 3 square root of 3 question mark. Now minus minus plus, so it will become square root of 3 whole square times minus square root of 3. Square is cancelled from square root. This is multiplication term. So minus 3 square root of 3 is equal to, here this is 3 and this is minus, so it will become minus 3 square root of 3. So here also we can say LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So here total we got 3 value. So we can say here B3 is equal to minus square root of 3. This is also verified. It is correct solution for this equation. So here total is B1 is equal to 3, B2 is equal to square root of 3, B3 is equal to minus square root of 3. Total we got 3 solution here, and this solution is correct solution. It is verified here. Thank you.